In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Webflow project to a client's account. Whether you're wrapping up a project or just need to shift ownership to someone else, transferring a Webflow site is a straightforward process that ensures your client can take full control. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can make the transfer smoothly and confidently. To begin, open your project in Webflow. You'll notice the Webflow icon prominently placed in the top left corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to a variety of settings and controls. Click on it to access the drop-down menu and go ahead and select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your project. Once you're in the site settings, look towards the top of the page for the transfer icon. This is the option we need to use for transferring the project. It might look like a little arrow or a series of interlinked shapes, generally symbolizing movement or exchange. Click on this icon to open the transfer interface. Now you're ready for the crucial step, entering your client's information. You'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you wish to transfer the project to. Make sure to double-check that the email address is correct, as any typos or errors could delay the process or send the project to the wrong person. This step is particularly important because once the transfer is complete, the project will no longer be accessible from your account unless the client chooses to share it back with you. After you've entered the email address, confirm the transfer. Webflow will handle the rest, transferring the project directly to the new owner's account. It's worth noting that your client will need to have a Webflow account to accept the transfer, so ensure they've signed up if they haven't already. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you've successfully transferred your Webflow project to your client's account. This process takes just a few minutes, but it ensures your client will have full access and ownership of the site to make updates or further changes as needed. Remember that this transfer not only shifts the site, but also all its associated settings, so your hard work is preserved precisely as intended. If at any time you need to walk through these instructions again, feel free to revisit this video for guidance. It's helpful to know these steps, especially if you'll be collaborating or transitioning projects frequently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Happy project transferring!